Are you planning to study, work, or relocate to a European country? Then you've probably heard about document legalization or authentication. Many Nigerian applicants lose time or even face visa refusal because they don't legalize or translate their documents correctly. In this video, I'll explain exactly what legalization means, why it's required, and how to do it step by step. 1. What does legalization mean? Legalization means confirming that your Nigerian documents are genuine and can be accepted abroad. It doesn't change the content, it simply certifies that the signatures and stamps on your documents are real. European embassies require this to ensure your educational, birth, or marriage certificates are authentic before they issue a visa or residence permit. Second, documents that usually need legalization. The most commonly legalized documents include birth certificates and affidavits of birth, educational certificates and transcripts, marriage certificates, police clearance certificates, court judgments or affidavits, company or employment documents for work or business visas. Always check the specific requirements of your destination country because the list may vary. Third step 1. Authentication by the Nigerian Ministry of Education or issuing body. For school documents, your first stop is the Federal Ministry of Education in Abuja. They confirm that your certificate or transcript was issued by a recognized institution. After that, the document is forwarded to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for authentication. Fourth, Step 2. Legalization at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. At the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the government certifies that the previous signatures are genuine. This is what we call authentication or attestation. Once that is complete, the document can be taken to the embassy of the country you're applying to. 5. Step 3. Embassy legalization. After authentication by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, you'll go to the embassy of your destination country, for example, Germany, France, or Italy. There, the embassy will stamp or seal the document, confirming that Nigeria's authentication is valid. At this stage, your document becomes legally recognized in that country. Sixth, translation requirements. Most European countries require documents in their official language. For instance, German for Germany and Austria, French for France and Belgium, Italian for Italy, Spanish for Spain. You must use an official or certified translator, not just anyone who speaks the language. The translation should carry the translator's seal or certification, and some embassies even require the translator to be approved by their own office. Seventh, tips for smooth legalization and translation. Always make photocopies of your documents before submission. Ensure names, dates, and spellings match your passport exactly. Never submit laminated certificates. Use certified true copies instead. Start early. Embassy legalization can take 2 to 6 weeks depending on the country. 8. Common questions. Q1. Can I legalize documents from outside Nigeria? Not directly. You may authorize someone in Nigeria with a power of attorney to process it on your behalf. Q2. Do all embassies require legalization? Most European embassies do. However, some countries that recognize the Apostille Convention accept an apostille instead of full legalization. But Nigeria is not yet part of that convention, so full legalization is still needed. Third question, do translations need to be legalized too? Yes, in many cases the translation itself must also be stamped or certified by the embassy or approved translator. Legalization and translation are more than just formalities. They protect you from delays, document rejection, and even visa refusal. Getting them right from the start saves you stress later. If you're preparing your documents for a European visa or residence application, law and visas can guide you through each stage of legalization and translation to make sure everything meets embassy standards. Follow law and visas for more trusted immigration and visa guidance.